Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to a new Wi-Fi network, ensuring a smooth transition. First, gather your new Wi-Fi network name and password. You will need these handy. Next, power cycle both your printer and your Wi-Fi router. This simple step often resolves minor connection glitches before you even begin. Make sure they are powered on and within a reasonable distance, perhaps within 10 feet, to ensure a strong signal. Many modern printers offer a simple Wi-Fi protected setup, or WPS, connection method. First, locate the WPS button on your router, which often looks like two arrows chasing each other. Press and hold this router button for approximately 3 seconds. Then, quickly find the WPS button on your printer and press it within the next 2 minutes. Your devices will now communicate, and your printer's Wi-Fi indicator light should turn solid, confirming a successful connection to your new network. If your printer lacks a WPS button, or if that method did not work, you can connect it manually through the printer's own menu. Use the control panel or touchscreen display to navigate to the setup or network settings. From there, select Wi-Fi setup wizard or wireless setup. The printer will scan for available networks. Choose your new Wi-Fi network name from the list. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard, ensuring every character is correct. If your printer is still not connecting, do not worry, a few simple steps can help. First, reconfirm your Wi-Fi password, as even one incorrect character will prevent connection. If the printer is far from the router, try moving it closer, perhaps within 30 feet, to ensure a strong signal during setup. Once connected, install or update your printer's drivers on any computers you wish to print from. Finally, send a test print from your computer to confirm everything is working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.